In this video, we will be learning daily use English words with meanings and sentences. Bawling, weeping or crying noisily. Bawling of infants disrupted by sleep. She starts bawling while telling her story. Cackle, laugh in a loud and harsh way. A group of women were cackling in a corner. Her cackle makes me scared. Dejected, sad and depressed. She often came home feeling dejected. Due to her exams result, she felt dejected. Vicious, cruel or violent. He suffered a vicious attack by a gang of youths. She is vicious in nature. Sluggish, lack energy or inactive person. A heavy lens makes me sluggish in the afternoon. I am feeling sluggish because of the hot weather. Brawl, a rough or noisy fight. A brawl broke out between the two groups of people. I don't fall into brawls. Introvert, a person who likes quietness and loneliness. Unlike her sister, she has an introvert personality. He doesn't like gatherings because he is an introvert.